I am M. Yogita from CSM. Here I am going to explain about importance of water conservation in environmental science. First, introduction to water conservation. Water conservation is the practice of using water efficiently to reduce unnecessary water usage. It is essential for sustaining our natural resources and maintaining the environment. Understanding its importance can help individuals and communities take action to preserve this vital resource. Water conservation means we store water for our future resource. We store water for future resources for future usage. It is the picture shows why it is important to conserve. Have occurred many drafts and some situations like that, and in that situation we use water conservation water to live. Global water scarcity. Approximately 2.2 billion people globally lack access to safe drinking water, according to the United States. There are so much of people are suffering to safe drinking water, according to United States. Water scarcity affects every continent, impacting millions of lives and limiting economic development. By conserving water, we can alleviate some of the pressures faced by those in water-stressed regions. Well, environmental impact. Conserving water helps protect aquatic ecosystems by reducing the demand and water bodies. It minimizes the energy used in water treatment and distribution, thus lowering carbon emissions. Maintaining healthy water system is crucial for biodiversity and the overall health of our planet. Whereas economic benefits. Water conservation leads to reduced utility bills for household and business alike. It can lower the costs associated with water treatment and infrastructure development for municipalities. Investing in water saving technologies can yield significant long-term financial savings. Whereas sustainable agriculture is major consumer of water and efficient practices can significantly reduce usage. Whereas agriculture is the main consumer of water. It implementing water conserving irrigation techniques can enhance crop yields and soil health. Sustainable farming practices not only conserve water but also contribute to food scarcity. Whereas sustainable practices on water consumers, we also contribute food security. Community responsibility. Water conservation is a shared responsibility that requires community involvement and awareness. Educating others about the importance of conserving water can lead to collective action and change. Community programs focused on water conservation can foster foster a culture of sustainability and stewardship. Why it is important to conserve water? Water is thing one essential thing and natural resources on earth. All life forms, be it human, animal, plant, or anything, need water to survive. If there is no water, we would be no life on the planet. So that's why we conserve water. Simple ways to conserve water. Individual can adapt simple habits like turning off the tap while brushing teeth to save gallons of water daily. Someone brushing teeth while on turning tap on. We reduce that. We can adapt simple habit turning off the tap while brushing teeth to save water. Installing water efficient appliances and fixtures can drastically reduce water consumption in households. Collecting rainwater for gardening and outdoor use in an effective way to conserve water resources. Case study: water conservation efforts in California drought stricken regions. California has faced severe drought for years. One of the city, California, is impacted impacted drafts due to a combination of climate change, low precipitation, and increased water demand from agriculture and urban areas. These droughts have led to strict water conservation measures, emphasizing the need for sustainability water use across the state. Whereas challenges, low precipitation and snowpack levels. California release heavily on snowpack from the Sierra Nevada, which melts and supplies water during the warmer months. Reduced snowpack levels lead to less water availability. High agricultural water demand. Agriculture consumes about 80% of California's water, particularly in the Central Valley, which produces much of the nation's fruits, nuts, and vegetables. Population growth and urban demand. Increasing population in urban areas, especially Southern California, has heightened water demand. Environmental impact. Drought impacts ecosystem including fish populations and wetlands habitats that depend on consistent water flow. Whereas conservation strategy, these conservation strategies are used by California to reduce the drafts, water restrictions, and usage targets. Cities have implemented mandatory water restrictions such as limiting outdoor watering, encouraging the usage of drought tolerant landscaping, and penalizing wasteful usage. In 2015, Governor Jerry Brown mandated a 25% reduction in urban water usage, leading to measures like banning watering lawns and washing cars without a shaft of nozzle. Agriculture adjustments, efficient irrigation. Many farmers have adopted drip irrigation systems which use less water than traditional methods. Crop shifts. Some farmers have shifted from water intensive crops like almonds and alfalfa to less water dependent crops, or even left portions of land follow. Ground management efforts like Sustainable Groundwater Management Act require local agencies to manage groundwater use sustainably to prevent over extraction and land subsidence. Infrastructures improvement. Water recycling. California has invested in wastewater recycling to use treated water for irrigation, industrial use, and even potable reuse. De- Desalination. Although costly, desalination plants such as the one is Carlsbad provide an alternative water resource for coastal cities. Water storage. Reservoirs. Investment in new reservoirs and groundwater storage facilities help store water in wet years for use in drought years. Whereas conclusion, a call to action. Water conservation is not just a personal choice, it is necessity for the health of our planet. Each small action contributes to a larger impact on global water resources, making a difference. Let us commit to conserving water to ensure a sustainable and equitable future for all. Thank you.